Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain about the JVM, JRE and the JDK. As a beginner, you should heard about this term like JVM, JRE and the JDK. Whenever we are going to start working in this JVM or Java, then we should be aware of this term because these are the main component of this Java. As you know, this JVA runs Java code on any platform, and the JRE includes the JVM and libraries to run the Java applications. The JDK is for developers. It includes the JRE plus tools for coding and compiling Java programs, right? So by the end of this session, you will get some kind of ideas that how Java basically work. So let's try to understand the basic thing. Okay, so now actually we are going to understand that why are JVM, JRE and the JDKs are important. You know, like these are the core tools behind every Java applications. Understanding them, it's actually will help you to write, run, debug Java program effectively. Next, we will talk about that how these are actually basically connected or how it will basically work. Let's think about it. It's like a restaurant. JDK tools like knives and pans to prepare the dish, whereas JRE is the chef who knows how to cook to run the dishes basically, and the JVM following the recipes means it's actually basically execute the dishes. So here you can see the all the details over here, like how these things are basically internally those are connected. So in a restaurant, how you are going to prepare the like food, how you are going to prepare all the things, the similar kind of things basically approaches we can similarities found over here between JDK, JRE and the JVM. Now actually we will talk about that what is JDK. So JDK is basically Java Development Kit. It's a collection of tools for developer. This tool basically includes compiler, debugger and the Java libraries. It's enable Java application development. It's the JRE for testing and running the programs. Developer tools like Java C means the Java compiler and the Java doc means the documentation generator. So those are actually packaging tool and the debuggers. So this JDK is the superset where it's containing the JRE and the JVM. The JDK actually enables the creation of Java applications and their subsequent execution. Next we will talk about what is JRE. JRE it's a Java Runtime Environment, provides everything needed to run Java application. It's include the JVM and the libraries. So this JVM actually executing the bytecode, and the code libraries like java.util, java.io, these are the basically code Java libraries and the other supporting files like configuration files and all the other things. This JRE includes the JVM, meaning the JVM is a subset of JRE. Without the JRE, JVM doesn't have the libraries and classes required to execute the code. Next we will talk about the JVM. JVM is the Java Virtual Machine, is the core component that execute Java program. Key role is to like Java Virtual Machine is the core component that execute Java program. It's actually execute the bytecode means the compiled code, right? It's a part of the JRE and cannot operate independently. It relies on the libraries and component provided by the JRE. Purpose of this, JVM is responsible for platform independence by interpreting bytecode into the machine specific instruction. Now basically we can talk about that how this JDK, JRE and the JVM are connected. As I said previously also, like JDK includes JRE and the JRE includes the JVM. All these three are essential for Java programming, means each are dependent to each other. Without this, Java program cannot run, right? So now like as a recap what we covered over here, like JDK is for the development, JRE is the runtime and the JVM is for the execution. So these are all actually about this one, JDK, JVM and the JRE. If you guys have anything, please do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for your time. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.